What is happening? What's going on? If you are new to the channel and this is your first video, my name is Matt and I am the leader of Chartpulse Trading. It's a community of over 3,000 investors and day traders of cryptocurrencies and stocks. And today I'm making a video, just a recap of what I was trading today and a little bit of Bitcoin talk and crypto talk just in general. So let's get into it. Over the weekend, I didn't make a video, but we did see Bitcoin break out of its downward flag. So here you see that we break out, and it does push up. A great buy. I bought it right around here, right off the bounce of the 50 EMA. We have seen Bitcoin today start to fall a little bit. It's been hovering around a key level of 8,400 all day. So we'll see what happens there. You can see by our indicators here that the MACD is kind of starting to curl around. The RSI is not terribly oversold. So this is a key level just to see if we push towards, if we break this 8350 line here, we push underneath 8K, but it's also possible to hit a hard bounce and shoot up for these volume fillers around 8,700 to 8,800. Some other coins that were traded today. So that's just Bitcoin. I bought and sold like twice today for like, I sold at 84.60 and bought at 83.50 when it wicked out on the volume line here. TRX, Tron, has been the other coin that's been going off today. That's where I made my money for the day for the most part. So here we are with Tron. You can see here that once it broke out, it's approaching 16, almost 17%. We can see that it was prone to break out. If we look at the 4-hour, you can see that it was really forming this downward pennant, right? And when it broke, it really broke out. So now we're looking to test resistance at 1037. It was having a hard time with 965. So I did ride the wave up a little bit over the past 24 hours. Where is my expander? Over the past 24 hours. And then I sold and then made a re-entry. I actually nailed the top with the RSI being super oversold. And then re-entered around 942, and now I'm up about 4% again. So that's where all of my gains have been coming from today. My chart, if you're curious about what I'm looking at right now, I do have a 50 EMA, which is the thick blue line, and then I have some other smaller EMAs that are giving me my green uptrends and red downtrends. So obviously right now you can see that we're going up. And then I have a VWAP in the middle there with a 15 EMA, which is the small blue line. So that's basically the crypto download for the day. I did make all the Bitcoin calls in my chat this morning, just letting everybody know that if we broke 84, we were going to 83.5, which we immediately did. So it's small scalping going back and forth there. If you're interested in the group or learning how I trade, the links are down below. And I hope that you stay green and have a great day, even in this crazy market that we're in right now. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Subscribe, like the video, leave me a comment, join the Discord, say what's up to me. But again, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. I hope you have a great rest of the night. Adios.